Good afternoon, folks. It is the 18th of February and it is almost 10 to 4. Managed to get my hands on another one of these. Disney Doorables Let's Party. Will I get 2 or 3? Very cute. This is the second one of these I've opened. This one has 60 to collect. Not sure if there's numbers on these ones that match up to what's inside. But let's open this one. Disney Doorables. Very cute. Purchased by me. And again, this was found randomly on a shelf. Couldn't see the box that they come in, the big box that you pull the little ones out of. So I think I was lucky to find this one. Okie dokies. Disney Doorables. Pop out. I managed to get 3 today. Oops. Okay, Disney Doorables Let's Party number 17. Whoa, what's going on with my camera? She's all over the place today, guys. I'm sorry. Is that better or not? Oh, I can't tell. Might have to do some editing on this one. Oh my goodness, that is the from Zootopia, maybe, I'm thinking. Very exciting. Is our head on the right way? Is it supposed to be that way? Does it say anything on the bottom of these? No, just Disney. Ready, ready, toot. We'll check our cheat sheet in a moment. That should tell us who's who. And oh my goodness, one of the Chip and Daleys. Doesn't he look adorable? Now these ones are hard, the big sparkly eyes. Their heads do sort of move a little bit. As you saw, I turned that one head around. Oh, sorry, that was number 39. This one is 56. And oh, it's a little teapot. And again, she sort of does have a bit of movement there. Okay, quick. Let's have a look. Okay, so we managed to get. Let's have a look to get that. To get Clawhauser, which is that one, and that is for the skate party. Oh, of course, got skates on. You see that? Got skates on. Okay, and the teapot. Where's our teapot? There she is, Mrs. Potts. Tea party. Of course, Mrs. Potts is at a tea party. And then you see those, and then Chip and Dale. I'm not sure which one's which. Do I miss him here somewhere? There he is, Dale. Dale is blue. What does blue mean? Ultra rare. Mrs. Potts is a common. And our spotty friend is a common. So we got one ultra rare and a couple of commons. Very cute. I do like these guys. Give me a second. I do seem to be getting a lot of Chip and Dale items at the moment. This one's a metal nano figure. Cute. My kid gave me this one, so I didn't open it on camera. Or did I? Did I open these ones? I'll have to have a look. Might have been the Jurassic Park one I didn't open. Not sure. Anyway, yeah. Cute, cute, cute. Alright guys, I'm going to go finish this video, work out what's going on with my camera, why she's all lopsided. And I've got 3 more videos to do today, which I'm going to try to upload today. So I will see you all later. Bye.